Hey there, my creative friend. I am excited to announce the release of my newest Skillshare class today. This is another Paint With Me style class where we paint an entire digital painting from start to finish, together in the app Procreate on our iPads. Some experience with Procreate will be helpful, but beginners are totally welcome to join too. I break things down into bite-sized lessons, and I try to make digital painting approachable for everyone. This painting is so magical. It's a floating island with a big, beautiful moon behind it. It's just like so dreamy and fun. We will be painting this piece in an acrylic style, meaning it's going to be super textured, and we're even going to learn how to use a canvas paper texture in our file to really enhance the feeling of our painting and give it a traditional hand-painted feel. If you're new to Skillshare, I've got you covered. In the description below, you're actually going to find a link to sign up to Skillshare, and you're going to get your first month totally free on me. Now, they are going to ask you to put in your card information to sign up, but you can cancel at any time, and you don't have to pay a cent if you're not feeling the platform. I will say, though, that my Skillshare membership is by far one of the best investments in not only myself, my mental health, and even my business every single year, because I get so much creative growth, inspiration, and happiness out of my time spent learning on Skillshare from other creatives. It's actually a way that I treat myself when I need some me time. I will just find a class that sparks joy and dive in. So if you would like to come paint with me, grab that link below. I would absolutely love to see you in class. Seriously, I respond to every single student, and I cheer you on personally when you share your paintings with me. And you're also welcome to ask me questions and leave discussions, and we can interact, basically one-on-one if we need to, through that discussions tab in Skillshare. Okay, so I can't wait to see you there. I hope you come and join us. Enjoy the rest of my time lapse to see what the class would be like, and let's paint together.